Are you guys also facing network problem, reconnecting issues and FPS drop in Pokemon Unite? Well, don't worry, you have stumbled upon a correct place. In this video, I will show you how to solve the network problem, reconnecting issues and FPS drop in Pokemon Unite, which might be the solution that you have been looking for so long. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you can get the full information. By the way, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get more this type of Unite content. Now, without wasting any time, let's begin the video. In the number 1, we have the clear cache data. It is one of the most simple and easy way to solve the lagging problem in Pokemon Unite. Even the customer care support from the Pokemon Unite suggests us to do this, because sometimes what happens is when there is lots of clear cache data, it somehow affects the gaming performance and you might experience little bit of lagging issues in your device. Let me show you how to do the clear cache, because there might be some player who does not know how to do it. Well, this is for those players. Just go to the setting of whatever device or phone you are using and find the folder name storage and apps. Inside that, try to find the Pokemon Unite app. Now tap on the Pokemon Unite icon and then go to the storage and cache, and here you will get the option of clear cache. Right now my cache is only 16 MB because I recently cleared my cache. And be careful while clearing the cache, because you might accidentally clear the data of Pokemon Unite, and by chance if you do that, all your game data will get lost and you have to download the resources again. This was all about the solution number 1. Now before we move on to the next and more solution, I want to say that do not skip any part of this video, because all the solution that I'm going to show you is equally important. So make sure to watch the video till the end without skipping any part. Solution number 2, the graphic and frame rate setting in Pokemon Unite. The settings you do here can somehow solve the lagging problem, heating issues in your device and FPS drop problem. As you can see right now, my graphic quality is on highest level and frame rate setting is on high because I'm using a high range device. That is the reason why Pokemon Unite is automatically recommending to keep the graphic setting on highest and frame rate on high level. But if you are using a mid or low range device, you have to adjust these settings according to the device you are using. Like if you are using a mid-range device, you must keep the graphic quality between medium and high, because the higher your graphic quality is, the more function your device has to do. Keep the quality of the graphic according to the phone or the device you are using to play. So what happens is when you are using a mid-range device and if you keep the graphic quality on highest, your device has to do the extra work. Because of that, your device might start heating up and you might face lagging issues and FPS drop. This happens especially in the summer, so make sure to adjust the graphic quality according to the device you are using. Like if you are using a mid-range device, which means phones, keep the graphic quality between mid and high. And if you are using a low-range phone or device, keep the graphic quality between mid and low. And one more thing, if you are using a very high-range device and get heating up issues in the highest graphic quality, just try to switch the graphic quality on high. Likewise, if you are using a mid-range device and getting heating up issues in high graphic quality, just switch the graphic quality on medium. Same goes for the low range device. If you are getting heating up issues in medium graphic quality, just switch the graphic quality in low, because it is much more better to compromise in the graphic quality rather than compromising on the performance of the device. And about the frame rate setting in Pokemon Unite, well, always try to keep the frame rate on the high level, because the higher your frame rate is, the better and smoother your performance will be. But if you have a very low range device, then and only then keep the frame rate on medium, but never ever keep the frame rate on low, because if you keep the frame rate on low, you will be compromising with the performance of the device. That was all about the graphic and frame rate setting. Now let's move on to the next solution. Solution number 3, update your game. It is one of the most major reason you might face a lagging issues in Pokemon Unite. Not updating the game time to time can cause lagging problem, because what happens is the update often includes bug fixes, performance optimization and compatibility improvement that helps the game to run smoothly on various devices and operating system. If you don't update time to time, the game may encounter issues such as memory leaks, inefficient resource usage and compatibility conflict with new software updates. In a simple word, what I mean to say is, for example, if the new updates of the game comes and you don't update it and does not download the full resources, still if you enter in a match to play, and in that match if enemy has updated the game and downloaded the full resources, they will have a better optimized and smoother game experience. At that time you will face a lagging issues because you didn't downloaded the update, which consists of optimization and compatibility improvements. So it's like having an old pawn and a new pawn. Even the customer care support team from Pokemon Unite suggests us to update the game time to time in order to get a better experience of the game. And the update you are seeing on the screen right now is not the full resources of the update. To download the full resources of the update, you must enter into the game and then go into the settings. After that, in the very bottom you will see a data download. Tap on that and you will see a graphic data. From here you can download the full resources of the new update. You can also keep the download icon on the main display by turning this on. And I like to keep auto download turned on because I usually use Wi-Fi. By the way, download updates in background does not really work. Even if you keep it on turn on, the update and the resources does not really get downloaded in the background. And I know that lots of the players knows about these things, but there might be some new players as well who does not know how to do these things, and I don't want to leave behind any of my viewers. That is the reason why I'm telling this very basic process of downloading. That was all about the solution number 3. Now let's move on to the next solution. Solution number 4. Switch your network connection. This is one of the main reasons that most of the player faces lagging issues in Pokemon Unite. Sometimes the network and the server that you are playing on determine the latency you will get. So it is really important to switch your network connection in order to get proper latency. Let me give you an example. What does I exactly mean by this? Right now, as you can see, my network connection is showing full red color. Even though I am playing on 4G network connection, still I'm lagging very badly. When I use any moves, I feel like I'm getting half-second delay, but to solve it is pretty easy. Let me show it how to do it. Even now I'm getting so much delay. Right now, as you can see, I'm using 4G network connection. Still I'm lagging so badly. Anyways, to solve this problem, you just have to switch the network connection. As you can see, right now I'm using Vodafone network connection. Now I will switch it to the Airtel connection, and the result will be pretty good. Let's just wait for a few seconds so it can get reconnected to the server. The network is still showing red color. Just wait for few more seconds so that new network connection can get properly connected to the server. Usually it takes 4 or 5 seconds. And now as you can see, it's showing green color. The network is fully stable and everything is working super smoothly right now. I'm not feeling any kind of delay anymore. And this is how you can also solve the lagging issues in Pokemon Unite, just by finding out the correct network connection which works the best for you. But there is one situation in Pokemon Unite where you cannot solve the lagging problem no matter whatever type of network connection you use, and this situation is called cross server in Pokemon Unite. Cross server happens very rarely in Pokemon Unite, and when cross servers happens, you just cannot do anything about it. Even if you have a very good network connection, still you will face the lagging issues. Now there might be some new players who might not know about the meaning of cross server. Well, let me shortly explain it to them. Cross server means when you get match up with other region players. For example, if you live in India and get match up with Bangladesh players, that is called cross server. In this situation, you cannot solve the lagging problem. No matter whatever type of Wi-Fi or network connection you use, you will still face the lagging issues. And this was all about fixing the network problem and lagging issues in Pokemon Unite. And if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.